Guys, let's say we're back with another fidget spinner video.
And he's with me, of course.
We just removed the bearing. Whoa, what? Okay, never mind. Just get the bearing off. So let's start with the balls, magnet balls.
You know that the fidget spinner, this fidget spinner makes a squeaky noise.
So we just start with the magnet balls and you just drop it, or you just pencil you choose.
Metal balls.
Metal balls. Oh, that's a good angle. Okay, now count to 10 and mix it.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, now we're done. So we get the bearing off with your pencil. Oh, whoa.
That's close.
We did it to another side, so we can just do it now. Yeah. Keep on mixing. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Why did you count it too fast?
Just to mix it again. And where is it? Okay, now get the bearing off. And you just remove the water.
Be careful with the water if you're near an electronic.
Then you get like before the nail.
For your nails when you cut them.
It's okay, come on. So we need to remove this first.
The part. So we have to be really careful because all the balls will be removed.
Like my black one, I destroyed it.
Like my friend's one broke.
What did it?
Yeah, it really did. Just get it out. Ouch.
It's kind of hard. Maybe you just have to
use a nail. What's the hard part of the nail?
No! Oh! Don't scold me. It's not very sharp. Okay. I know this is dangerous for kids, but
make sure you get an adult to supervise you. So you can be very careful.
I hope it don't break it.
It shouldn't be broken.
We shouldn't break it. If it breaks, then
your fidget spinner is broken. So, sorry.
Whoa, that's so close. You have to drop it. I could drop it. You finished it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I got a great idea. Just do this. I know I'm like breaking the bearing.
This is the hard part.
Okay, now I just removed this and place it back. I just removed it and I place it back. So it falls and bites out back, so that's a good thing. So now there's no squeaky noise, but the problem is the ball still has a squeaky noise.
Only the ball, but it has LESSEN.
Like this. It has like a magnet ball. But it's so small.
It has LESSEN.
Okay, the popcorn just falls, so don't mind. It's okay.
It's okay. We'll fix that later.
Okay, I will got one ball out.
Put it in here.
You have to put the whole bearing. Okay. The ball is right there.
Fix it.
Oh, that's enough. Maybe a pencil. Oh, can you see a ball?
No.
I'm just gonna use my hand to get the bearing.
Be careful.
Okay, get the ball. So let's go put it. Oh gosh.
This is the hard.
We should have used pencil.
This is the hard.
I'm gonna do the pencil. Okay, let's go put the.
We're gonna clean up after.
You have to put the ball back now. Okay, it's kind of hard to put it. Now, there's no squeaky noise anymore.
There's less.
In the snow, right?
Less.
So we just spin it and ready to go to snow.
There's less squeaky noise.
Yeah, so yeah, bye guys. Subscribe.
Yeah. If this helps you, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe right down below.
And check down in the description all of my fidget spinners. No, I didn't post all my fidget spinners. unboxing a fidget spinner that I broke. So bye, subscribe, like,
And
please.
leave a comment down below.
Peace.